Alright, niece. Here's the other ones. Remember we saw some different sizes. I'll show you here on my measuring mat. This one is the 2 inches that we showed, that I made the video of last night. Here's one, but instead of doing the fringe, I did like a metallic ink down here. Can you see it? And it's two-sided. And then the leaves I also did in the metallic. I don't know how well you're going to see it. The twine is different. This is awesome twine, and I'm going to tell you about a little Lowe's haul I did that I kind of stole some ideas from you and went with. Here I did a extra large grommet. I like this tag. It's a pretty good size. You can see compared to my hand. And then here you can also see it's almost 3 inches wide, as you can tell here. And then lengthwise, it's what, 4.5? And then these grommets are a really good size. This would be for a pool, in and out of a book, whatever. I did pink on one side, yellow on the other. Now you're going to wonder, this is actually just like a big grommet or like a big brad. It had a little, brad pokers. Well, in order to get one on each side, what I did was pushed all of them in, and then I hot glued it. So I do have a little bit of a mess inside there. But once you tie some ribbon on there, and if you have it in a project, you're not going to be able to see all that anyway. And you can still see the artwork's really good. Stop for a sec, babe. And then I have the fringe there on the bottom. And then here's just a little one. Same kind of thing. And I cut it to look like a tag. They're also two-sided. These are fringed, just some of them are a little bit smaller. You can see the first one I did a lot bigger. There's a lot more grass there and fringe. And I got smaller right here. There is fringe. It's just harder to lift up when it's smaller. So anyway, that's the finished, those 4 tags. You can see all the differences. I hope that's a good enough picture. And this is what little Miss is working on over here. I got her some stamps today, some princess stuff. So I gotta go. I gotta help her. You see my monkey and my giraffe? That's me. She's doing a princess. All right. We'll touch after a while. Bye-bye.